Howdy, my name is Amaran Zedibe and I will be introducing you to MATLAB. In this video, I will show you how to get started, and I will use a few examples to help you get familiar with working at MATLAB. When you open MATLAB, this is the screen that you will see. You will see the current folder window where you will be able to view your current directory, the workspace window where you will view your variables, and the command window where you enter individual statements at the command line. And after each statement, the command window will display the results. For example, 2 plus 8, enter. To create a script in MATLAB, you go to the menu bar and click New, and then you click on Script. It will open up the editor window where you will be able to write your programs and save them. For the first example, I will be showing you how to calculate a simple function x squared plus y squared using MATLAB. We will start by creating our variables. We will define x as 3 and define y as 4. Then we will define a separate variable to hold the result of our function. At this point, we're going to save our script. And then we will run it. If you look at the workspace window, you will see all of our variables and the result of our function. This can also be done using the command window. Next, I will be showing you how to plot a sine wave using MATLAB. First, I will define my time variable as a linear array from 0 to 0.02 seconds using 500 points. Then I will define our y-axis as a sine wave of frequency 500 Hz. And then I will plot this function using the plot function. And then run it. This will produce a sine wave from 0 to 0.02 seconds. We can label our axes using the x label and y label functions. For the final example, I will be showing you how to plot multiple traces on the same graph. We will be plotting the sum of a sine and a cosine wave, a sine wave, and a cosine wave, all on the same plot. First, we will define our time variable as a linear array from 0 to 0.008 seconds using 500 points. Then we will define a variable a as a sine wave of 500 Hz. We will then define a variable b as a cosine wave of 1000 Hz. Then we will plot the sum of the cosine wave and the sine wave as a function of t. We will then be moving on to plotting all of the functions on the same graph. So to do that, we use the hold function. This will allow us to plot multiple traces on the same graph. And then we will plot our sine function and plot our cosine function. Then a plot with all three graphs will be shown. To change the width of our trace, we will use line width. And set a number. This will make the plot thicker. To add a legend to our graph, we use the legend function and impute the labels of each trace according to how they were plotted. To turn off the legend, you click on the Insert Legend option in the toolbar. We have come to the end of this demonstration. I hope the examples were able to help you understand MATLAB.